Okay, we've got another eBay treasure here. Radio by Crown. The box is in pretty rough condition, but the box is there and intact, and comes with the original batteries. Look at those. Oh my, those are beautiful. There's the guarantee that we can turn in for 1 year. And here's the little manual. Gemitone. Keep your gems with Gemitone Jewel Box. Keep your jewels with Gemitone. The HT460 is a miniature styling 6-transistor 1-band table radio jewel box combination, capable of receiving the standard medium wave broadcasts and storing your personal adornments such as rings, necklaces, etc. Most suitable as a gift item for birthdays, weddings, and many other occasions of your intimate friends. This model is so designed as to deliver ample power and beautiful tone, also provide you with an ornamental effect when placed on a table, a dresser, or a shelf, anywhere you deem attractive. Wow, the interpretation is great. Besides its beauty and versatility, the heavy construction of the wooden cabinet, enjoying its classical appearance in the Oriental mode, and the reliability of the components assembly with the resultant unexcelled sound performance, all of which are perfectly combined together to enrich your refined taste and ensure the lifetime of use. That's a great interpretation. Pretty impressed. So let's take a look at what we have here. All right. That's beautiful. That's a real pearl. Okay, maybe not. It's missing a mirror, but they said the mirror was included, and here it is. And this bag is made in China, so not sure what the bag was for. Bicycle, sports, glasses, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, so we can put some glue on this and put the mirror back where it belongs. There we go. Look at that. Let me set this off to the side. Place to stick your rings. Auto and manual. I'm assuming that that little switch right there is auto. So when it's in the auto mode, when you open it up, it'll play. There's the tuning and the volume. Beautiful. 6 transistors. And it is wood. I don't know if this is going to work or not. But we'll, it takes 4 AA's. So we'll pull the cover off. Guaranteed time life. Crown. So the circuit board. So let's put some batteries in it. Okay, this plastic has shrunken just a little bit and these batteries just barely fit. Okay. Really snug. Okay. Okay, I don't have any audio. Got it in manual, right? Yeah. No audio. Could be a bad switch. Okay. No audio at all. Let's double check, make sure that our battery is hooked up right. Oh, it's not. My bad. Okay, I got the batteries incorrect now. I do that every once in a while. It was so tight, I was paying attention to that instead of the saying. Now let's see if we got the audio. Okay. Nothing yet. It might still be in main auto mode. There we are. Okay, we do have audio. Okay, we do have a little bit of a click. We'll leave it in manual. And let's just do a little probing around here to see if we can get any hum. And we should get a little bit of a buzz if our caps are not completely open. We have 1, 2, 3 caps, 3 electrolytic caps. 3 electrolytic caps. So let's pull that board up. I don't know how it's connected to the volume control and the tuning control. So let's carefully, let's see, is there any screws? Are there any screws? Probably some screws underneath this, but let's see if there are just wires connecting the tuning and volume control. These are the connectors for the cover, and this screw here is mounted to the wood down inside. Yeah, I don't, these may just fall with, come out with the circuit board. So we'll pull this screw up. Let's just see if we can get the assembly up. There's a screw underneath the antenna. No. Oh, yeah, we'll have to pull this up. There we go. That's loosening it up. Okay, it should lift out now. Okay. Let me turn this light up here. There we go. Make sure you can see what we're seeing here. Yeah, okay. Actually, I have sound now. Yeah. I have some sound. Okay, we do have volume, faint volume. What I'm trying to do is to just touch the base or the collector of the output transistor, and right in here to see if we have any buzz. Not really. Okay, so we got an open cap right there. Okay, so we can bridge that cap like a lot of techs do. And see if we can get it, the audio back. Yep. Okay, so this is positive. Get this polarity right. There we go. So, wonder, I don't think we'll pull in any stations, but we can try it. Okay, so we could replace all of the caps, but I'm just going to replace that one, and we will be back in business. We talk a lot about cap replacement on these channels, and there's a lot of discussion about whether you should just do a full cap replacement or whatever. But we've identified in the audio output, which is where we were poking around, that we lost a signal there. Okay, I replaced that cap, and let's just hook it up.
We're going abroad for the first time in years to face.
Okay, that's an auto. Let's lift it. There's the lid. Okay, so there we go. Pretty simple repair. Let's put it back together. This will make a nice little gift, little anniversary gift for my wife. 44 years. Been married. Now, I suppose there'll be a few trolls, comments that fuss about me not replacing all of the capacitors. And I purposely didn't do that just so I can give them something to bellyache about. Because if they didn't have that to bellyache about, they would be bellyaching about something else. So there you go. Give you something to comment on if you don't think of anything else to comment. And here we go. Let's
by 2025, but eventually every single verse and every, and that, the goal for that is 70.
beautiful. Really, really a sensitive little radio. They are not kidding.
55, and then you're just going straight on.
I am really, really surprised.
Hey, it's Sydney hanging out on Spirit FM, and we're talking about this idea. think that you
That's great. That was great. Very simple repair. And we'll leave the batteries in for now since we can give it away as a gift. And we'll glue the mirror on to the back of the door there. And notice that there's no off switch. No off switch. So the only way to turn it off is to put it in auto and push that button down. So I'm going to go to talk radio so I don't get flagged.
You even imagine, right? That
I'm going to turn it down.
In order to read the scriptures, you got to be able to read.
And we'll clean that up and put a little bit of cement on there. It's interesting that they've got the Time Life sticker on there. Time Life magazine. So let's clean that up, and then we'll put a little glue in there. What we'll do is we'll turn it upside down like that so we can turn it off and not run the batteries down. And I don't think I can get this sticker off without destroying it. No. So it's not going anywhere. Okay. Make sure the glue is touching. Oh yeah, okay. We'll put these batteries right here. There it goes, turned it off, but the batteries are pushing down on the mirror. So we'll let that set for a few hours. 2 hours. And we'll come back and finish up this video. This will be a short repair.
Yeah, and I love that you talk about the example of get